At Miller Industries, we are the world leader in towing and recovery equipment. We have multiple facilities in the U.S., one in the U.K., and one in France. We build many types of wreckers, including light-duty, car carriers, heavy-duty, and rotators with the capabilities of up to 100 tons. We're always innovating to stay a step ahead, but what we're most proud of is how reliable and hardworking our wreckers are. Part of that reliability is because not only did we put Reelcraft on our wreckers, but we've used Reelcraft reels in our manufacturing facilities for at least 30 years. Our Ooltewah facility in Tennessee is over 500,000 square feet, and we have hundreds of Reelcraft reels on the manufacturing floor. We use these reels to run impacts, air ratchets, welding tools, paint, and assembly tools. Considering how many reels we have, it's impressive how reliable they are. We've got reels that are dingy, dusty, they've probably been in use for 20 years or more, and they just keep working. We've never had a problem, which is why we've stayed with Reelcraft, and it's why we trust the Reelcraft brand, not just in our plant, but also on our trucks. Operating a tow truck can be a very dangerous line of work. Statistically, there's a tow truck operator killed in the line of duty every 6 days. By providing reliable equipment with reliable tools, we were able to do our part to make things as safe as possible. We're Miller Industries, and we're here to tell you that Reelcraft reels are ready when you are.